Hey everyone, it's Cheryl Hampton coming to you from my backyard again. Today is Saturday afternoon, and I just wanted to talk about a couple of things that I was thinking about today. When you make a decision to take control of your own life and to be able to make things happen, manifest, whatever word you want to use for it, use the law of attraction, change your attitude, whatever you want to call it. When you change things in your life, the things in your life will change. We've heard that over and over, and it's definitely true. When you change the way you think about what your life should be, step out of that box of that 9 to 5, do what a boss tells you kind of thing, it really does change your life. And what I've done is actually created my life the way that I want it right now. I do work a job. It's not your typical normal job, but I absolutely love managing the real estate office, like I've said in previous videos, and the people I work with. But I also brought that into being by writing that letter that I spoke to you guys about in one of my first videos. I also have my internet marketing business with Empower Network that I'm working on now, amongst some other things. But by choosing the way you want your life to be, it opens up for what things you would like to have and how you want to spend your days, how you want to spend your weekends. So I wanted to share with you guys what I'm able to do this weekend, because I'm not working that old retail job anymore, and I've been able to adjust things in my life to be pretty much how I want them to be at this time right now. So I want to show you just a couple things. I'm going to flip my screen around and let you guys see what I've been working on today. So this is my garden that I've been working on, and I think I've shown you guys this a little bit before, but just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how it's growing and how things are going here and how I'm enjoying my afternoon. We spent the day at the garden center earlier in the day to be able to come back here and get this a little better organized, do a little bit more work on it, and it's growing really well. And again, I'm spending my afternoon with these guys because Jack and Rosie are over here. Hey Jack, you gonna come say hi again? Jackie says hi. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great afternoon and finding something that you really enjoy doing, that you're able to fit into your schedule, fit into your life. And if it's not working for you, then think about what you want to change. Those things can be the way you want them to be. You want weekends off, you can make that happen. You want to spend more time with your family, you can make that happen. If you're interested in finding out a little bit more about how I'm moving into my next phase and the things that I'm working on, check the link below at superwomenelite.com and click on the link, though. It'll get you to the right page. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys watching, and enjoy your afternoon.